So one of the new Ruggables is here. Very generous size. It's actually really lightweight. Let's open her up. Should have 2 parts in it and get it set up in the room. What do you think, Clover? Yeah? Got some space cleared. Should be just enough to, well, completely fill the room and get rid of a lot of this echo. Got the base rolled out. It's a non-stick rubber bottom, totally safe to walk on. And then the top is kind of like not really Velcro. It's kind of a hook. It grabs the bottom of the fabric, but it's not total Velcro. So you can peel it up, but it's gonna stick down and you can vacuum it. You don't have to worry about it coming up. Nice coverage. Just gotta even it out a little bit. And definitely have more of the floor covered. After I lay the top down, I'll move the chairs and everything back into position. And there we go. That looks great. Okay, so initial impressions. Is it soft? Is it plush? No, but it's not bad. It's not like an outdoor rug. On bare feet, totally fine. It just feels like a normal Berber or commercial office rug. It's waterproof, stain-proof, dirt-proof. Like I said, this just goes in the washing machine. Doesn't even take up as much room as a comforter. And I was worried that it would be really hard to take up and down. It's not. It's just kind of a contact fit. And what I did to put it on by myself is I just wafted it loosely into place and then just puffed it like that and let it float down. Totally easy. And then I started from the middle barefoot here and just like a squeegee worked out the big wrinkles. And that's it. That's all you have to do. It's super easy. This is the biggest they make. And if you can, ow, stop biting my toes. If you can do an 8x10 by yourself, you can do absolutely anything. And the cool thing is, Clover, God, she gets into these moods. Stop. You can swap out the designs, just buy different design top pieces, and it's cheaper. So here's the big tip. If you want these, you can get the new designs directly from the company. That's what I was worried about. These edges don't stay down like a big rug. Clover, I'm gonna have to spray these so she doesn't chew them. You can get the new designs. The 8x10s are $400 direct, but you can get the ones that were just discontinued direct from Target, Bed Bath & Beyond, Home Depot, just Google. And I got this from Wayfair for, I think, $245 with the pad. And they get a lot cheaper going to the smaller sizes from there. So when you get wrinkles like this, you just smooth them out. Of course, with normal walking on it, they'll smooth out anyway. Some of this is from shipping. Somebody likes the new rug. So here's what it looks like up close. You can see it's very thin and it sticks, especially around the edges. They do have actual Velcro right at the corners, but the rest is just real lightly held down, just enough to make it vacuumable. You can see there's no plushness to it, but the fabric is soft. It's comfortable. Chloe loves it. She has tons of traction. And then the underside has non-slip. This is like a rubber, and you can hose this off. Just take it outside and clean it if it ever gets dirty. Hey, this is the only thing that's bothering me right now. Stop it. Ow. Leave it alone. I've already sprayed it with the no-chew stuff, but she still eats everything. I dig it. I'm just gonna have to make sure she doesn't get the edges like a crazy puppy, and we'll be happy. See you next time.